Just purchased this today for my YouTube videos, the GoPro. Alright, open it up. Haven't seen any of this yet. Alright, look how small it is. Got my little booklets. Here's the camera. So small, that's funny. I don't know what this stuff is. Alright, here's all the little pieces and tools here. Nice. Comes with all this stuff right here. If you could see. Cool. I'm gonna check it out. Start making some videos. Alright. Now this is the tiniest little camera I have ever seen in my life. Wow. And then this is the little head little strap thing you put on. Alright. I'm gonna be able to make my home pornos way better now. Just kidding. Alright. All those little things. That's really cool. Attach that, put that in there. Boom, boom. Put that in there, on there. Really cool. And then I could use a hand thing right here. Really cool. Alright. Still have to learn how to use this thing. Comes with these. Alright. Really cool. Alright, I'm here getting ready to go on a plant-based adventure. And gonna go down and go get some food. And I'll show you what I'm talking about pretty soon. Alright, I'm over here at the truck, Plant Power. So excited. Truck down here at the park. Let's get some food. Alright, this is my workout for today. I'm gonna sit here washing my car. I got some good stuff right here. Looks good. I'm gonna get some water. This is how I do it. Get that water. Alright, let's do some hot water. Alright. Go. Got my bucket of water. Filthy car, man. Let's do this. Look at how filthy that car is. It's just, wow, so filthy. Jeez, this is how we do it, the old-fashioned way. I like doing things the old-fashioned way. I'm very old-fashioned with my music, with everything, with my movies, you know. Gotta get down and get dirty sometimes, you know. You go to get a machine and just sit in your car and you have them do it themselves, you know. Just work hard. That's all you gotta do. Work hard. You know, I'm trying my best to be more active, you know. That's what I'm doing all this for. So, gotta be active. Find things to keep busy, you know. That's what it is. Let's wash this car, rinse it off. That's how I do it. Just rinse it off. I go all over the place with it. That's how you do it. Let the water just drip down. All right, clean the roof here. All right, this is how it's done. There we go. Beautiful. There's little suds here and there, but it doesn't really matter. You can just wipe it off with the towel. Nice. All right, I'm over here taking a walk after I just washed my car. I feel like I'm hearing some live music. I wonder if it's a real full band. I think it is. Let's check it out. Using my GOPRO7. Very nice. Yes, live band. Very nice. I love all styles of music. I could appreciate it all as long as it's real music, you know? They know how to play, which is awesome. All right, I'm ending the video like this. Me taking a nice little walk after I washed my car. I'm trying to work off the food I ate. It was a really good, delicious vegan food. Really good. It's kind of like a vegan version of McDonald's. So good. But anyways, what do I think of the GoPro? GOPRO7, I think it's really cool. There's some things that I'm still learning about, and I'm testing it out. So I'll let you know what I think about it later on when I really learn how to use it. But hope you enjoyed the video. You know, I had a little clip of some protesters about Black Lives Matter, and I support it with all my heart. You know, it's so wrong what society is doing, how it's treating certain races a different way. Very wrong. I'm a godly man, and I believe that we all need to treat each other the way we all want to be treated. All right, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. Please click the bell, because I'm going to keep making more videos like this. Hope you enjoy. Bye.